Welcome to another awesome tutorial from QCAP Tutorials. Today we are going to design this awesome 3D card wall effect only using CSS. So we have some images inside the images folder from pixels.com. We have copied in our folder, main folder. So these are our images. We have also used in our last tutorial of image gallery. So we have created two files outside the images folder, index.html and style.css, and we will give it a title of 3D or effect. I think 3D card or effect, and the same heading. Now we will create a container div, inside which we will create an item, and inside the item we will create a card div. In card, first we will paste our image, and then we will create a card content div, in which first we will give a heading of my laptop, and then text. I will use 25 words lorem ipsum etc. So this is our first look of card. I would like to add a button of read more. So this is our card. I will copy and paste two more times. So now we have three cards. Let's update the image tag. So now we have three cards with three different images and some random text. Now we will style it in our style sheet. Let's link it. First of all, we will remove by default margin and padding and remove it by its box sizing. So give some width and height to our image tag, so we can see that. Don't worry, we will change this height and width later in our tutorial. This is for simplicity. And give some styles to our body tag. For example, background color, and I would like to change the font family. And let's centralize our H1 tag and give it a off-white color. Okay, done. And also I will give a margin bottom. So now you can see this updated look of our body tag. So I will give display flex to my container and justify content space evenly, align item center. Let's give some background color to our card, so you can see this. And I would like to give it box shadow instead of borders for the glow effect. So this is box shadow, you can see that. And for gap, I will use gap property, which you can use with display flex. So there's 2 rem gap, and give some more styles to our card. Okay, now this is our initial card. So we will change the text and button color. Then to our text, we will give margin of 30 pixels from each side. Don't worry, we will change it later. This is initial values. And we will design our button with some beautiful CSS effects, CSS properties. Now you can see this. I will increase my font size and remove text decoration and give this greenish background color to my button. Okay, let's reduce the font size I think 1.2 rem is good, but you can see the upper corners are not rounded, so I will reduce the width of my image and give some padding to card from each side 10 pixels. Okay, now our image is fixed, but we will play with our text p-tag. Let's update its margin 20 pixels and 0. Okay, text align justify. So now this is square text. Yeah, I think now it's good. Okay, let's design our button with hover effect. When we hover over our button, some changes will occur. For example, its background color and text color will be changed. That's great. Let's increase the font size. Now we have beautiful button. Let's give a little transition to our background color. We'll copy the background color property and give it a transition of 0.5 seconds. Good. Now our card is ready. Let's give it animation. So we will target our item tag. Perspective property defines how far the object is away from the user, and it applies on the parent element. So parent element is item and child element is card. So we will now rotate our card 65 degrees. It's super awesome. Now when we will hover over our item, then the card will have some changes. What will be the changes? Transform rotate 0 degree and scale 1. 1 is by default value. Wow. Let's give it some transition. So transition 0.5 second, all, and easing. Wow. So this is our awesome 3D card or effect. You can watch my previous video, what is CSS perspective. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe Quick Web Tutorials.